So as you guys know, a few weeks ago I bought OHUHU markers.
Walk along that street, talking nervously. Be closer, won't be long now. You made me write this song, yeah. Be safe, but don't know how. Be far away from town.
And today I will be using them to color my doodles.
Like I found you for
And I haven't doodled since months, so I'm pretty excited to do it now. So now my brothers, let's start sketching.
Always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain.
For the doodle, I'm taking inspiration from Art Quill and some more artists from Instagram.
The only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it.
So the ugly sketch is done and now it is time for the details.
I ain't playing no games, I just do that's fact and I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack, I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy, track after track, I work on the shit daily, pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy, about to unpack all these things I've been chasing, I've got visions in my head, like memories after death, to be a legend instead of something you can forget, I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led, I'll fill the seats as I spread.
Sketching is done, time to ink. But there's a problem, my fine line has died and so we have to wait till the new one arrives. So the fine liners finally arrived after a few days and here they are. So the new fine liners I bought are called MARVY UCHIDA, and now without wasting any time, let's start inking.
I miss the family I used to have. I feel like everything's...
I'm very close to 1k on Instagram and please follow me there if you want the 1k special video and doodle.
I miss the days I wasn't afraid. Now I always have my guard up, hands on my face. I learned to cope with the pain. I know that people think I'm trying to get attention, but in reality I'm trying to...
By the way, I'm liking ideas for videos and it would be really nice if you guys would comment down what should I do next.
Just know it will get better and these feelings do not stay the same, no. They don't stay the same. I don't wanna make you feel bad, but you kinda ruined my life. You hurt me and ruined my life.
I'm done with inking and it turned out epic. So now it's finally time to use OHUHU markers.
Summer's looking good on you. You're looking like my woman. I see you got that look on you. So I just wanna love you. I look you in the eyes. I think you love me. Give it your heart. I think you love me. Just tell me when you ready, babe. We don't gotta mingle it. I ain't wanna hesitate, baby. We go.
Ladies and gentlemen, coloring is done and now enjoy the reveal.
I learn more about you every day. My brain is getting wrinkles. You just wanna feel. You just wanna feel something. Anything is real.
So guys, I hope you loved the video and I will see you the next time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in description.
You're looking like my woman.